California lawmakers send multiple bills to Governor Newsom's desk. California lawmakers send multiple bills to Governor Newsom's desk. 0112, Sacramento. The California legislature voted Thursday to strengthen eviction protections for tenants and close a loophole in existing law that allows landlords to exceed the state's rent cap. The eviction reform bill was among hundreds of bills approved before end of the late legislative session, including providing unemployment benefits to striking workers and reforms to state's mental health system. Gavin Newsom must act by October 14 by signing the bills, rejecting them with a veto, or allowing the bills to become law without his signature. Also read, California lawmakers considering deletion act targeting data brokers. A 35 price cap for insulin caps has been proposed to Governor Gavin Newsom's desk. California lawmakers approve creation of retirement fund for MMA fighters. Bill to legalize Amsterdam-style marijuana cafes in California heads to Governor Newsom's desk. California lawmakers approve bill to ban certain chemicals in food and beverages. California lawmakers vote to lift travel ban to states with anti-LGBTQ laws. State lawmakers approve new tax on guns and ammunition for school safety measures. The rent bill from Democratic State Sen. Maria Elena Durazo would update 2019 landmark law that created rules on evictions and set a rent cap of 5 plus inflation, with maximum of 10. The bill's sponsors said Governor was architect of 2019 tenant protection law but did not indicate whether he would sign new eviction bill. Under the 2019 law, landlords can evict tenants for no fault or no fault reasons. At fault reasons include failure to pay rent on time. Under no fault rules, landlords can terminate leases simply by saying they need to move into units, make repairs, or take the units off rental market. Tenants' attorneys said some landlords are taking advantage of no-fault evictions to get around the state's rent caps. They pointed to a case in Santa Clara County in which a landlord evicted tenants, citing need for relatives to move, but then relisted the units at nearly twice price. Under Durazo's new bill, landlords who move into their own units or rent them to families also identify people to move in. Rental must be occupied within 3 months of the eviction, and those people live in unit for at least a year. Those who evict tenants to renovate properties must include copies of permits or contracts, among other details. When filing eviction notices, landlords who fail comply with this regulation will have to allow evicted tenants return under their original lease terms. The bill also allows the Attorney General, local government, and tenants to sue landlords for wrongful evictions and illegal rent increases. Supporters said the changes would ensure landlords no longer abuse state laws. The bill would truly restore the promise of the Tenant Protection Act by closing these loopholes.